morning, everyone, and welcome back. I've been on a bit of a hiatus, had some technical problems, got it all solved, and now I'm back and ready to go. Today, I'm going to be doing another hairdryer pour, but this time I'm using silicone. So I have a black base, otherwise the silicone will get on the canvas and have bare spots and nothing good. I have silicone in my purple flash, in this blue, which is a cobalt blue and ice blue mixed. I have a little bit of this color blue, gold, and some white. So here we go. Now, I have no specific plan for this. I'll be doing another one this week, which is actually planned out and more purposeful, so we'll do that one later. So here we go. Purple, go with this blue. Gold. Some white. I don't have a lot of this blue, so I'm just gonna pour it on. And back to the purple. Now you can put as much color on here as you want. You don't have to use a lot. You can use a little bit. You can completely cover the canvas. You could tape it up so that it's dammed up and is easier to move around that way. There's all kinds of ways to do this, which is why I actually love this one, this technique. A little bit more white and some more purple and blue, and I'll be done. All right. Make sure I don't drip it on everything over here. Maybe I can get a little bit more of this blue out. There we go. So this is the hairdryer that I use. It's just a regular Revlon. I don't have any attachments for it. I just turn it on and blow on high. Low, it doesn't seem to move any of the paint really. So I will turn down the sound and get going. All right, it's looking pretty cool. I'm just gonna give it a quick torch to get rid of the air bubbles that I just recreated. Shouldn't be a whole lot of them because I didn't blow it a lot. But this should also help pop up some of the silicone. All right. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes, see if it changes, and I will be back. All right, we're back. It hasn't changed much, except for a few little cells that popped up from the torching. So I'm gonna take you down and bring you in for the close-up. So as you can see, I don't have any bare patches, which is my main issue with silicone. Every time I use it, except for doing it this way, I end up with bare patches because somehow it touches the canvas. It's very irritating. But this way, I never get any bare patches. Up here is where all those little ones popped up from the torching. Just right there, and some over here. And some there. But other than that, it didn't really change. I think my favorite parts are this right over here, because of the way the purple is just laying on top of the black. And then this spot right here. Kind of see a bird there. But overall, I really am loving it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading a new video. Have a great day. Bye, y'all.